Technology has transformed the way we live our lives. This change has been brought by hardworking engineers, coders, and programmers. At City University, we believe in transformative, skill-based education.
City University is coming up with its own hackathon, 24 hours non-stop coding competition called Code Crafters on 26th and 27th of October at City Campus, Ludhiana.
We invite the world-class individuals who want to participate into this process of hackathon competitions for 24 hours consistently to work for the projects in the area of AI, machine learning, robotics, blockchain, drones,
which shall give you the opportunity to showcase your engineering talent across various emerging technologies like blockchain, AR, VR, clean tech, green tech, cybersecurity, and much more.
Be the part of it now, prove your worth, and of course, be a winner over here. Thank you very much.
So register by 22nd of October and I will see you here on 26th. Thank you.
We hereby invite all college and university students to participate in this event so that you can earn exciting prizes. Thank you.